1.9 and I'm getting small in this window. So outline the role of electrodes in electron gun to deflection plates or coils, which we've done multiple times in previous stop points, to fluorescent screen the cathode ray tube of conventional TV displays and or oscilloscopes. So the cathode ray oscilloscope, or CRO, is an electrical device used to convert an electrical signal into a visible trace on a screen. A simple cathode ray tube, which we've learned in previous slides and shown in J.J. Thomson's experiment, is shown on the right hand side. So that's basic diagram of CRT. Electrons emitted from the heat filament cathode are accelerated by high voltage applied between the cathode and anode. This part of the cathode ray tube is referred to as electron gun. So could you highlight that sentence and the sentence previous to that where it starts as electrons emitted from? So high-speed electrons pass through a small hole in the anode and strike a fluorescent material at the end of the tube. The electrons can be deflected by horizontal and vertical electric fields. Can you highlight that for me? These fields are created when voltage is applied across the horizontal or vertical deflection plates. The electrons will be deflected towards the positive plate. Could you highlight that sentence for me too? The bright spot produced by the electron beam at the end of the tube can be moved up or down or left and right by varying voltages on the deflection plates or electric plates. In the cathode ray oscilloscope, the signal can be displayed, is normally amplified, and then across the vertical deflection plates. The horizontal plates sweep the electron beam horizontally at a constant rate. The horizontal sweep rate can be varied to produce different timescales. This line produced by the electron beam on the screen is called a trace. Now, I've got a few parts where in the video I asked you to highlight that, and that was got to do with the electron gun deflection plates. And if you'd like to highlight the fluorescent screen where it says the bright spot can be produced blah 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 in the middle of that sentence there, okay, or paragraph. The diagram you don't need to copy in your books. You've got multiple diagrams of cathode ray oscilloscopes or cathode ray tubes.